Hi everybody, it's Todd Ault, and you're invited to the entertainment capital of the world, Las Vegas, for the third annual Risk On 360 Global Success Conference. Now, over the years, we've had Tucker Carlson, RFK Jr., Alex Rodriguez, Daymond John, Charles Payne, and the legendary sports agent, Leigh Steinberg. You know, the story about him was, he was the guy in Jerry Maguire. It's just an amazing guy. We've had an amazing audience of people and speakers. If you're an entrepreneur, this is a must-attend event. I don't think there's any conference where you get to meet people in all walks of life that are really doing business and meet the speakers. You gotta be there. You gotta look at the feedback. It's just been amazing. Join me during the exciting F1 weekend. It's November 24th, 25th, and 26th at the Rio Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. The thing's been redone. It's Las Vegas, man, and it's a brand new casino. They've redone the whole thing. To secure your seats, go to riskon360.com. That's riskon360.com. Want free gifts and exclusive invites? Text RSVP to 31798. That's RSVP to 31798. And don't forget to subscribe to my podcast. Follow me on Instagram. Click the link in my bio and risk on, everybody.